Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sunny. My name is Sunny. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, I have 2 kids. How was your day? How was your day? My day was good, thank you. My day was good, thank you. See you later. See you later.